Who the fuck? And hopefully, everyone's been talking about the snowstorm that's coming, or that came, or whatever that is. So I'm gonna show you what we got. You can hear the lady there yelling, "I can't park my car." Well, she ended up getting it stuck. This car looks like one of them new hybrid cars now because of the snow. I'm just gonna put this up for the people that don't get to see the snow. It looks like one of them new hybrid cars.
Yeah.
That's funny. Yay. And the only other thing I have to say about this video is I have 2 videos that are in the works that are coming up. And hopefully, Tuesday I will be able to upload one of them videos. The other one I don't have an ETA on it, I'm sorry. But there's 2 coming up.
What's up?
Hello?
Can you hear me?
Are you there?
Hey, what's up?
Who the fuck